So over here you can see that I have a composition right here with some 3D layers and lights right here, as you can see. And the lights by default are white in color, and they have a certain range of intensity which determines the brightness of the light. So if I were to go around over here onto, let's say, this particular light right here, I can go around and expand out the light option right here, just like this. Or what I can also do is over here in the control section, you can see the same option of color and intensity. So over here you can see that the intensity right now is 100, meaning it is at the light is at its maximum capacity right here. I can go around and decrease this right here, just like this, and you can see that you can immediately control out the brightness level of this particular light. So you can go around over here and, let's say, for example, go around on this light, and if you want to change around the intensity of the light, you can see that you can control the level of brightness for that particular light right here. If I were to type in, let's say, 150 right here, it does not allow me to do so because 100 is the maximum amount of light right here. Meaning if I want more intensity of a light, then what I need to do is I need to go around and duplicate out the light. So this is the light that I have right here. So if I were to duplicate it, then what happens is that you get 200% of the intensity right here. Let me just go around and delete this out right here. So besides that, you can see that you can also go around and change around the color of the light right here. So you can see that right now, you can see the RGB values right here. I can click and drag around to change around the RGB values, or I can take the color picker right here to take any color right here and change the color of the light as per what I pick. Or I can go around over here and choose the color over here of the light as well. So let's go around and choose a bit of yellow type of color right here for this particular light right here. And then for the other light right here, just like this, we can go around, change around the intensity as well. And for this one, let's just go around and select something like blue. And then this is what you have, as you can see. So you got a bit of a bluish tint over here for this particular light right here, while for the other light you can see that it got the yellow tint. And that is how you can go around and change out how the light looks inside of HitFilm composition. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.